Hi, welcome to Healing Resonance with KristiBorst. I'm here to share a little bit of information about the May group healing events entitled Seeding Your Success, and that's in aspects of work, relationships, life, love, and especially within yourself. Because many times it's our own self-saboteur that holds us back from who we're here to be. I set seats for those who are attending and offer a group message, group healing, group clearing based on the individuals in the circle and what their concerns or needs for release and healing are. And then I also do one-to-one healing, emotional, spiritual, mental, physical, on the people in the circle. It's a wonderful way to jump ahead in your wellness and joy. I'll also have some of my energy and form healing artwork there. I have a couple of pieces on the mantle behind me. The two dates for this healing group and two locations are May 21st. It's a Tuesday evening at 6:30. That's in Topsfield, Mass. Again, that's for in-person, as well as distance healing. The distance will be connected through energetics and also through the phone. And then an in-person only group session on the next night, Wednesday, May 22nd, also at 6:30, and that is at Sweet Fern Center for Wellness in Kennebunk. There are event pages for each of these groups on Facebook, and also additional information and booking links on my website, www.HealingResonanceLlc-KristiBorst.me. So thanks for your interest. I hope to see you there and assist you in moving forward, because we are each so special and here to shine our light without self-sabotage, without the things that are holding us back from the past. So love and light to you. Thank you.